Assalamualaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm telling about what is finance and how does it work. Okay, so let's start. First at all, open the Chrome and search here top of the screen. What is finance? So now search here what is finance. Okay, the definition is also here. Finance is defined as the management of money and includes activities such as investing, borrowing, leading, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. There are three main type of finance: personal, corporate, and public governments. Okay, so what do you mean by finance? Okay, finance or financing is the process of raising funds or capital for any kid for expenditures. It is processing of challenging various funds in the form of credit, loans, or investments capitals to those economic entities that most need them or can put them to the most productive use. Okay, so I am telling about finance types, definitions, and facts. Okay, how many types of definitions, what are the areas of finance, what is finance, and defined within economics, what is the financial intermediary. Okay, finance the process of raising funds or capitals for any kind of expenditures. Okay, consumers, businesses, firms, and government often do not have the fund available to make expenditures, pay their debts, to complete their transactions, and must borrow or sell equity to obtain the money they need to conduct their operations. Okay, savers and investors, on the other hand, accumulate funds there could earn interest or dividends if put to productive use. These savings may accumulate in the form of saving deposits, savings or loan shares, or pensions and insurance claims. When loaned out at interest or invested in equity shares, they provide a source of investment funds. Finance is the process of challenging these funds in the form of credit, loans, or invested capitals to their to those economic entities that most need them or can put them to the most productive use. Okay, I'm telling about personal finance deals primarily with family budget, the investments of personal saving, and the use of consumer credit. Individuals typically obtain mortgages from commercial bank and savings and loan associations to purchase their homes, while financing for the purchase of consumers durable goods can be obtained from banks and finance companies. Charge accounts and credit cards are other important means by which banks and businesses extend short-term credit to consumers. If individuals need to consolidate their debts or borrow cash in an emergency, small cash loans can be obtained at banks, credit unions, or finance companies. The level and importance of public or government finance has increased sharply in Western countries since the Great Depression of 1930. As a result, taxation, public expenditures, and the nature of the public debt how typically exert a much greater effect on a nation's economic debt previously. Okay, governments finance their expenditures through a number of different methods, by far the most important of which is taxes. Government budgets seldom balance, however, and it's in order to finance their defense, governments must borrow. So, the editors of most public debit consist of marketable securities issued by a government, which must make specific payments and designated times to the holders of its securities. Okay, so today I am telling about what is finance and its types, and it's also I am telling about its facts. Okay, I hope all of you like my video in this channel, and please subscribe my channel. Inshallah we will meet again in next videos. Allah Hafiz.